Welcome back to Tech Pro Hardware. Today we're going to be talking about the ROG Maximus 11 Hero Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Limited Edition motherboard. This is a Z390 chipset motherboard, which is basically for the new consumer line of the 9th gen processors from Intel. Today we're going to show you a quick unboxing of this motherboard and some of the goodies that come in the box. And also a little later show you some of the components that are on the motherboard itself. As you will shortly see, there are no shortage of little goodies in the box that we all like. Whether we use them or not, we still like them. As you can see, Asus gives us a nice little sticker set. Do with it as you choose. Although some people like to say they're Go Faster stickers. As a nice touch, Activision and Asus have teamed up to give a free copy of Call of Duty Black Ops 4. This is a nice touch from Asus and very much appreciated. And no, you can't have my code. I'm gonna play the game. Next up in the box, it looks like we have a coaster and some sort of patch. Yes, a patch. Well, that's interesting. Might put it on my bomber jacket. And of course, no motherboard unboxing would be complete without the manual. Yes, the manual. And trust me, you will use it. Now we'll look at some of the cables and extensions that Asus provides in the box. You shouldn't have to buy too many extra of these, as there's ample supply of what you need here. Now let's talk about some of the connections and cables that are in the box. Asus includes a dual Wi-Fi antenna that works really well. I've had no problems when I've used it. I get great signal with it. You also get RGB connectors, 2 of those addressable and non-addressable. You also get a pair of cable SATA connectors that work really well. You get some M.2 screws and standoffs. And you're also going to get a Q Quick Connect for your motherboard headers. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the driver CD. What? Wait a minute. A USB thumb drive. I can't believe it. Asus, you got it right. This is the way to put your motherboard drivers. USB thumb drive. Of course, this being a high-end motherboard, it has a built-in backplate, it has HDMI, it has DisplayPort, it has gigabit LAN, it has USB 3.1, it has dual Wi-Fi, and of course all your audio inputs. The next portion of this video is for all the tech heads out there. Basically, it's just a lot of footage of the connections on this board. And once again, Asus leaves nothing to be desired. You'll be able to build this system and hook up anything that you want. Once again, I'd like to say thank you for tuning in, and please like this video if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.